Lanka is the best.
Best man.
Unwind.
So where we go?
Oh, it's a nice.
We are go to where we go?
Where we go to the harbor from Digura
Yes.
and enjoy the time here. Go to the streets, belong to the jungle. Next by the jungle, it's perfect here. Perfect atmosphere. Perfect, nice people. I missed that so much. Thank you.
And we want to stay here forever.
You want to say something?
What?
You want to stay here forever?
Yes.
Okay, what would you do for that?
I will work here.
Left your mother? Left your
Ah, yes.
Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Perfect time here. Today's good weather, no?
Yeah, very good.